Hey everyone, welcome to our video on airport tips every traveler should know. Airports can be hectic and confusing, but with the right tips, you can make your travel experience a lot smoother. Tip number 1, arrive early. It's always a good idea to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before your domestic flight and 3 hours before your international flight. This will give you enough time to check in, go through security, and find your gate. Tip number 2, pack smartly. Make sure you know the airline's baggage restrictions and pack accordingly. Keep your essential items such as passport, boarding pass, and any medications in your carry-on bag. Tip number 3, check in online. Most airlines offer online check-in, which allows you to print your boarding pass and avoid waiting in long lines at the airport. Tip number 4, get through security efficiently. Pack your liquids, gels, and aerosols in a clear, plastic, quart-size bag and place it in an easily accessible part of your carry-on bag. Remove your shoes, belt, and any metal objects before going through the security checkpoint. Tip number 5, know your gate location. Check the departure board to confirm your flight's gate and check the gate location on a map of the airport to avoid getting lost. Tip number 6, stay hydrated. Bring an empty water bottle and fill it up after you pass security to stay hydrated during your flight. Tip number 7, avoid peak travel times. Try to avoid peak travel times if possible to avoid long lines and crowds at the airport. Tip number 8, be respectful of airport staff. Remember to be patient and respectful with airport staff, as they are there to help you have a safe and enjoyable travel experience.